Each year, hurricane season brings challenges for those living in affected areas, but this year has been especially rough. As a community of artists, we know all too well that creativity can be a beacon of hope. We have chosen to come together to raise money for people who have been impacted by these catastrophic events. We've created videos for you to enjoy and art for you to bid on. Fluid Art Co has stepped up to do something very special. They've offered to sponsor the collaboration with a limited release pigment that they've named Benevolence. $5 of every jar sold will go towards the fund. Proceeds will be going to the Direct Relief Organisation. From all of us around the globe, we thank you for taking this on with us.
Hello from Slovenia again, and welcome if you are on my premiere for the good cause, for the hurricane relief that a lot of us will participate, a lot of us fluid artists will participate a work of art for a good cause, for an auction on November 3rd. I'm pretty sure that a lot of you know a lot about this already. All the details will be in the description and at the end of this video if you watch later. And Fluid Art Co created this special pigment that I will use today, and it's a limited edition. You can buy it just now, and from every jar sold, Fluid Art Co will donate to the charity that I will list below. Okay, I will pour on 16 by 20 inch canvas. I will do a split cup pour in blues because of the, hurricane. And first will be this new gorgeous piggy in this chamber. And I have Benevolence, name Benevolence. I don't know if I pronounce this right. And this is turquoise green by Amsterdam, and all my paints are mixed with Overtroll Floetrol. And this is this little piggy pigments, or love this gold. And I have just titanium white to add a little more of contrast to those colors, or how can I say, and of course Prussian blue. And I have Indentrine blue by Amsterdam, Expert series. It's a beautiful bright blue. Okay, and I will just travel a little bit with this cup. I love it. I hope it will. I will go with the flow. Sometimes, not sometimes, in nature is like that. Nothing, you can't predict nothing. I will start right here. corners and I'm done, and I almost throw one of my cameras into the painting. Okay, sorry for the lights, but reflection, but I just hope that I will be able to show you more of a sparkle. I will show you the dried result and you will see the sparkle then. It's hard, but I think that it's beautiful, even though that it's kind of sad, stormy. It's stormy. Okay, stay tuned for the dried results. So this is the piece for the auction. It's 16 by 20 deep edged canvas. The sides are beautiful, and that, oh, where is it? Mostly here, Benevolence, just beautiful. It's kind of indigo blue to greenish blue. It's beautiful and sparkly, and it will come varnished with a mechanism to hang, because I don't know which orientation you will like the most. Thanks for participating.